All right, day 134. As you can see, I am at the cabin right now. Pretty much a Boy Scout cabin area that kind of, wasn't really converted, but I mean, the troop that was here before, Troop 95, one of their sons I'm like friends with, and they just kind of like come here every now and then. Just, chill, relax, do some work around here. And as you can see, it's pretty peaceful. I did a painting of this little area, cabin area. Let's focus. It's pretty nice. I might post that one here in like the community post at some point. But no, it's fun. Overall peaceful, meditative, just kind of a cool vibe. It's getting a little hot and it's pretty wet, but it's a nice little break from everything, from the usual grind and tear. It's nice. It's a good time. Jeez. Excuse me. But yeah, nothing crazy to add. Just gonna walk around for a little bit. We walk up here. A couple of people are bringing in a hydraulic log splitter. I'm gonna be cutting up some logs soon. Just gotta come back from a warehouse or a storage space. I don't know where they're going to, but we'll be back here shortly, so gonna enjoy some of the free time just to explore a little bit, just take in the sun. Yeah, ooh, wet spot. Yeah, it's lovely.